Hello, everybody. My name is Boris Vinitsky, and I'm going to be talking about the dry vent cleaning business today. More specifically, I'm going to be discussing how much can you potentially earn in the dry vent cleaning business. All right. I've been doing this for over 25 years, and I think that this is a great business to be in. It requires minimal tools. You don't need city or state type of licenses that contractors have to get. You just need a business license. Um, and everybody needs dry vent cleaning. All right. Everybody with a dryer needs a dry vent cleaning, typically once a year or so. So let's talk about it. Let's get right into it. All right. What can you earn in a dryer vent cleaning business? All right. Now, this is based on what I actually charge, which is $120 per dry vent cleaning. $120 takes me about 15 minutes to half hour on average on a one-story house, and that's $120. All right, so this is based on that number. All right, now we got jobs per day, per week, per month, per year earnings. Okay, so if you have 2 jobs a day, 5 days a week, at $120 a job, very doable. Then you're making $1,200 a week, almost $5,000 a month, and about just shy of $60,000 a year. This is $120 a service call based on 2 service calls a day, 5 days a week, year round. Okay, let's up that to 3 per day, 5 days a week. Okay, 1,800 per week, 7.5 per month, almost 90 a year. 4 per day, 5 days a week at $120 a job, $2,400 a week, $9,600 a month, almost 115.2 thousand per year. If you're consistently doing 4 per day, 5 days a week at $120 per job. Here's 5 a day, 3,000 a week, 12,000 a month, 144,000 a year. 6 a day, 5 days a week at $120 a job, 3,600 per week, 14.4 thousand per month, $172,000 per year. Now I know these numbers sound crazy. I mean, how can you make so much money? Can't be that easy. Well, I won't lie to you, getting to 6 a day, 5 days a week, year round isn't gonna be overnight. That takes a little bit of time. But 2 or 3 a day, you can get to that pretty quickly. Even if you did 1 a day, which I didn't do here, you just cut these numbers by half, right? If you did one dry vent a day, it would be a half an hour out of your day plus driving time. You would still make about $30,000 a year. 1 a day for 5 days a week, year round, you'd still make about 30 grand. All right, these are actual numbers. All right, it's not the same year round. These are averages, right? Sometimes I'm doing 4 a day, sometimes I'm doing 7 a day. It varies. We're seasonal. I'm in Florida. Okay, we're seasonal. All right, now this is just straight numbers for dryer vent cleaning, which you can start tomorrow. But there's a lot of potential here. There's a lot of upselling here. You came in for a dryer vent, you did your job, you did a great job. But while you were on their roof for the dryer vent cleaning, finishing, assuming goes out the roof, you notice they have leaves in their gutters. There's an upsell. You notice something else that they might need that you know how to deal with, you know how to take care of. That's an upsell. You can double these numbers just with your upsells. So upsells are very, very important. Happy customers, returning customers, referring customers, very important. We will cover all that in the course. Check it out. Go on our landing page, read a little bit more about what's involved in the course, what chapters are in there, what gets talked about. We have a written course as well as video backing up the verbiage, so you can actually read it and then look at it and see how it's actually happening. Very, very good, very complete course. And we discuss all the issues that are important there. I will list them all for you right now. All right, here we go. We will cover customer communication, right? We will show you what to say to the client. It might sound obvious and easy, but saying the right thing matters. It sets you up for callback. It sets you up for communication with the client. They of course appreciate that. All right, so customer communication, that's one of the things we're going to speak about. Upselling techniques, something I just mentioned. I'm going to throw a whole bunch of stuff at you as far as what you could upsell, and really you can use your own imagination for that. Marketing, sales tools and techniques. Yeah, how do you market yourself? Where do you go? What are you doing there? So we talk about different things. We'll cover print advertising, business cards, targeting clients, internet advertising, social media. We'll cover all those areas. Business necessities, things like insurance, licenses, and things of that nature. It's a small chapter, but we have to let you know about it because, you know, legitimacy. Pricing, we will talk about how to figure out what your prices should be in your area. Right, there's usually a range, and you need to be in a place where you're comfortable. All right, so these are just some of the things that we're going to talk about in there, alongside with the videos, and that's pretty much it. So check us out, and good luck. Thank you.